This tool can take a simple health research idea and turn it into a complete academic proposal with a title, abstract, literature review, research questions, methodology, citations, and references. So instead of wasting hours figuring out where to start, you can create a strong proposal draft and improve it section by section. Before we begin, subscribe for more research tutorials like this, especially if you are working on a thesis, proposal, literature review, or systematic review. First, go to Google and search CitedEvidence. Open the official website. Now create an account, or log in if you already have one. Once you are logged in, I want you to try this with your own research topic too. I'll put the link in the description, so you can open CitedEvidence and follow the same workflow step by step. Now from the dashboard, open the research agent. For this example, I'm going to create a proposal on effective home-based stretching exercises on pain and mobility in adults with chronic lower back pain. Once I submit it, the research agent starts building the proposal step by step. You can see it creating the structure, finding relevant academic sources, adding citations, and organizing the proposal into proper sections. This is what makes it useful for researchers and students. You are not just getting random paragraphs. You are getting a complete academic framework that you can review, edit, and refine. Now the proposal is ready. Let's open the full document. At the beginning, we have the title page. Then we have the abstract, which gives a short overview of the study, including the topic, purpose, and possible research approach. Now I'll open the introduction. This section explains chronic lower back pain, why it is common among adults, and why home-based stretching exercises may be important for pain management and mobility. Next, let's open the literature review. This is usually the section where students struggle the most, because they have to organize previous studies and connect them logically. Here, the tool has already created a structured discussion with citations inside the text. Now, I'll open the problem statement. This section explains the actual issue the study is trying to address. It shows why this research is needed and what gap the study may fill. Next, I'll check the research questions. The tool creates focused questions based on the relationship between stretching exercises, pain reduction, and mobility improvement. Now let's open the objectives. The general objective gives the main aim of the study, while the specific objectives break it into smaller measurable goals. Now I'll open the methodology section. For this topic, the tool suggests how the study could be designed, who the participants may be, how data could be collected, and how pain and mobility outcomes may be analyzed. If I want to improve it further, I can ask the agent to expand the methodology, add inclusion and exclusion criteria, or make the literature review more detailed. Now I'll open the Reference Manager. Here, I can see the references and sources connected to the proposal, which makes the academic writing process more organized. Once the proposal looks good, I can export it and continue editing it according to my university or supervisor's requirements. And that is how you can use CitedEvidence to create a complete health research proposal from start to finish.